Welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2017 Grand Sport Corvette. This is in Admiral blue with a white stripe and red hash marks as the traditional C3 original Grand Sport. This car had about 30,000 miles when it came in. We did about 20 hours of paint correction on it and polishing. Really brought the true blue color back out. Also added a lot of depth to it. Then once we did a solvent wipe, we applied ceramic coating to all the exterior paint and door jambs. We also used Aegis Armors heavy duty ceramic wheel and brake coating for these beautiful MMR forged wheels. All the glass got Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating, and all the PPF that's on the front of the car and the lower side skirts and the lower sections of the car were covered with Halo from G-Technique, which is designed for PPF coating. The other thing we did while this car was in was we lowered it on the stock pucks about 3/4 of an inch. We also added the rear fins for the diffuser, give it a little bit more aggressive look, and added a cold air kit. The cold air kit is made by Engine. It's got a nice large tube, good airflow filter. It's very free flowing compared to the stock one. Between this and the custom tune on the dyno, we should be able to pick up about 25 to 30 rear wheel horsepower. Just a little bit extra for the car. So for more information about ceramic coatings and how to make your car look better than brand new, give us a call, 336-570-9790. This process takes anywhere from 3 to 5 days, depending on the color and size of the vehicle and the condition. And it'll make your life a lot easier to keep it clean and maintained. The other nice thing, when you go to sell the car in 3, 4, 5, 6 years, it'll still look just like this, and you will definitely make more money on the resale.